Hello friends, this is Info World and today I'm with you and these are all the foreign coins lot I have collected for a long time, and these are the different kinds of denominations from different countries. So let's start about their informations and their view, their proper view to share with you. And this is the first coin. This is the 1 baht 1965 Thailand. The Rama dynasty, Coppernickel. This is the 50 halala. The 50 halala, it means the half real Saudi Arabia. It's coat of arms. Nice coin. Also Coppernickel. This is the large coin. Very heavy. Coppernickel. 50 bin lira from Israel. No, this is from Turkey. Turkey, 1996. This is the Kamal Ataturk. Nice coin. And this is the security age. This is the security age. Move to another. This is the 10 peso from Mexico. The modern coin, 2015. The bimetallic coin. This is the coat of arms. The eagle, the national bird, and also the national emblem of Mexico. Next coin is from Great Britain, the United Kingdom. 2 shillings. It means 1 florin, 1965. And this is the image, the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. This is the 20 gelati from Czech Republic. No, this is from Poland. You can see the lettering Polska. It means the Poland. 1976. This is the $2 from Australia. Small coin. Nickel bronze alloy. Nice coin. Reeded edge, also with plain edge. Nice. This is the Taiwanese $50, 50 yuan also. The $50. Nice coin. You can see that in the middle the lettering is emerging as 50. Nice coin. Also with the security edge. This is also from Turkey. 1000 lira. Later it was demonetized. Nice. Also the picture of Mustafa Kemal Ataturk. Coppernickel. This is the Sri Lankan 1 rupee. Nice coin. This is the national emblem, the coat of arms. 1 rupee, copper nickel, the reeded edge from the 1990s. This is the 10 new pence, 10 pence, United Kingdom. The lion is walking with the crown, Queen Elizabeth II, copper nickel. These two coins are from same denomination, 1 rupee from Nepal. This is the stainless steel coin, and this is the copper nickel one. 1 rupee, Nepal, Bikram Sambat, reeded age, copper nickel from 1970s to 80s. This is also the older one. I've said earlier, the new pence from United Kingdom. This is the 50 cents from Singapore, modern coin, copper nickel, reeded age. Oh, security age. Security age. This is a tremendous one. 5 kroner from Sweden. Large coin, 9 grams. Plain age. The coat of arms. Gustav Adolf the Sixth, 1972. Copper nickel. Tremendous coin. This is from Iran, 1 real, a magnificent coin with extra fine condition. This is from 1965, copper nickel, reeded age, nice. This is the same one from Nepal, 1 rupee, copper nickel, reeded age. This is the $2, nice coin, security age, 2 layers. Queen Elizabeth II from New Zealand, the national bird is flying. This is the Canada $1, 1987, awesome coin, nickel bronze, Queen Elizabeth II. This is the this is not the from Thailand. This is the Bhutanese one, Naltram, awesome coin from Buddhist monasteries, logos, Bhutanese traditional language, coat of arms, 1979, reeded age, stainless steel. This is the Mauritius 1 rupee, 1990. Mauritius 1 rupee, 1990. Reeded age. United Arab Emirates 1 dirham, copper nickel, large coin, 10 grams. Also the reeded age, large coin. This is also the same one. Oh no. This is the older version of 1 rupee. It was minted in 1950s. Bikram Sambat and Nepal. But here is the difference between these two coins. This is the new version and this is the older version. So large coin. This is the large coin. Nearly 10 grams with reeded age. Awesome coin. This is the $2 coin from Hong Kong. Yes, the $2 coin, Hong Kong, 1997. Nice shape with the flower, the portrait of the flower. This is the Mexican 1 peso, UN peso, 1971. This is the coat of arms of Mexico, copper nickel, reeded age, large coin. This is the Oh, this is the 20 cents from Australia. Worn shape, but nice, large coin, reeded edge. Queen Elizabeth II, Australian currency. This is the French 1 franc from 1960. Nice coin. This coin was first minted in 1959, and this is the later year issue. The Walking Liberty. This is from Sweden. Gustavo Adolf VI with the crown image, plain edge, large coin, but in worn shape, 5 or 1965. And there are 6 coins left, and this is the 50 centavos from Mexico, reeded edge, nearly 6 grams or 7 grams. This is the 5 francs and 1974 from France, 1974 large coin, reeded edge, copper nickel, nice shape. This is also from Poland. It is 10 zloty. The Eagle, the coat of arms of Poland, 1975, reeded edge, copper nickel. 3 coins left. Alright. This is the Kenyan 1 shilling, the highest denomination of that country, 1973. Jomo Kenyatta, the president of Kenya, the freedom fighter. This is absolutely marvelous shape and extra fine in condition. Nice coin, reeded edge. This is the Canadian $1 I have shown you earlier, but this was minted in 1987. Pretty bright in condition. Queen Elizabeth II, plain edge. And the last coin is from Switzerland, 2 francs, and this is the 1992 large coin, reeded edge. The Liberty, Helvetia. There are the stars representing the Swiss duchies. So nice coins there. All coins. I have shown you some coins from this lot, and in my next videos I will show you the others. So it's all for today, and please subscribe my channel and stay tuned.